Hello friends, many people ask me the simple question, what is the most important thing before preparing the UPSC examination one has to know? And the answer is very simple. The most important thing which you have to decide before preparing for the UPSC examination is whether you have taken the right decision or not. It may look surprising to you, but definitely that is the right answer. The best or the most important thing you have to know before taking the first step towards the preparation of the UPSC examination is, have you decided that properly that you are going to prepare for this examination? Sir, what is the meaning of it? For preparing the UPSC examination, you have to know that it is going to consume the next 2 years of your time. In these 2 years, you have to make a decision whether you have allotted all your time which is existing for the UPSC preparation. People may prepare full time or part time. For those people who are preparing part time, that I am not speaking, because for those people, their time which they are going to take for clearing this examination, they might have extended for 3 to 4 years. But for those people who decided to prepare this examination in the very first attempt or maybe in the first 2 attempts, you have to make a choice that the next 2 years I am going to allot for completely preparing for this UPSC examination. Complete means 100%. Complete doesn't mean 99.9% even. Complete means 100% preparation. Sir, in these 2 years, you have to think whether you will be totally available for this UPSC preparation without any family or any other issues concerning you. Having taken the decision to prepare, if you have 1 or 2 problems associated either with the family or associated either with something else, then that preparation is going to be affected. And you please understand, most of the students, the problem would be only 2 which I have found. One, through the family and their friends. The second is the financial difficulty. Students who come for preparation without making proper financial arrangement for the next 2 years, they come and they suffer over a period of time. When they are in the process of the mains examination, they have the issue, they could not support themselves, and so they have the problem. So you make a proper decision that in the next 2 years, so for clearing in the first attempt itself, I think it is going to take 2 years. In a sense, when you begin to prepare for your preliminary examination, 1 year time period before the preliminary, then after the preliminary it is going to be another 1 year. So minimum 2 years you decide. In these 2 years, you should not have any commitments. All your time and energy should be allotted for the preparation. If that is the case, definitely in the very first attempt you will clear this examination. So if you ask me, what is that one thing which is very important for an aspirant before even preparing, before taking the first step, is that the decision, have you taken the decision? The decision to allot completely yourself for this preparation. Having done that, then the second step may be possible. Thank you.